Hello and welcome to Microsoft Excel tutorial from ITAMI, and this is tutorial number 60, and in this video we are going to talk about sorting, which is pretty easy for some guys while it is a nightmare for others. And why I'm saying that, at the end of the video I'm going to explain that. So let's see what sorting means. Is just rearranging the records so that you can easily analyze them. So initially I'm going to show you sorting of a flat list, and then I'm going to show you sorting of the tables. So suppose if I have the list of suppose ages of some guys, and let's do something random. We have random between and give me random values from 10 to 50. Control enter, control C, control alter V, and paste the values. Okay, so now we have these values and I want to perform the sort operation. I can go on to the home. From here I can go to the editing group, sort, and then from here you can see it has recognized that it's a numerical value, so it's saying sort smallest to largest or largest to smallest. From here you can perform sort, or you can go to the data tab, and there also you're going to see a section called as sort and filter, and from there we have buttons over there, sort smallest to largest or sort largest to smallest. So if I click that, it gets sorted in ascending and sorted in descending. Let's go back home. If you want to do from keyboard, the keyboard shortcut is Alter H S S. It gets sorted in ascending order, Alter H S O for descending order. So this is pretty easy. Now same way we can do also sorting with the other data type, and let's see sorting with the dates. Let's generate some dates over here. Equals to, and just give me some random numbers between 40,000 to 43,000. Control enter, control C, control alter V, and paste the values and format it as date. Control shift 3 and you get the dates. Now these are the random dates that I have generated. I want to sort them, and when I click over here, now you are setting over here, now you are seeing over here oldest to newest or newest to oldest. So you get oldest dates and the newest dates. So this is how we can perform the sort operation of dates, pretty easy. Then let's talk about time. So we have random time also. Let's generate some random time. Equals to rand, control enter, control C, control alter V, and paste the values, and control shift 2 and we get the random time values. Now over here I want to perform smallest to largest, so you get from AM you go till 10 p.m. So it's working pretty fine. Now let's talk about some names. So if I say we have names over here, and let's get some names from some website I have over here, random names generator. Let's copy these names, control C, control alter, control V, control, and paste just the data. And I want to get rid of these. So control E, control C, control V, and we have copied the data over here. Now this data I want to perform the sort. Now see over here that whatever data I'm having, this is all heading also is all text, and whatever data I'm having, that is also text. So if I perform this sort operation, sort, and I say sort A to Z, you see over here that whatever heading also we were having, that also got treated as the data, and that is lying over here in between. So that's not what I want. Now how to perform the unsort, like going back to the initial state, we don't have any option for clearing the sort. Whatever data you have sorted, it is sorted. Now to go back, the only option is undo. So I can press Control Z or click over here for undo operation. So in this case, the workaround could be that you just either select all the data that you want to sort, leaving that heading, and then perform the sort operation and click on sort, and then only the data getting sorted, leaving the heading back. Or other way, let me do undo to again jumble the records. Other option is that you do some kind of formatting, so Excel recognizes that this is the heading. So in that case I can do bold or italic or anything. So if I say bold, and it is not 100% guaranteed that if you apply some formatting and then it will be working, Excel will be taking as heading. So it might work, it might not work. So let's see whether it works or not. So if I have just put the cursor anywhere, you don't need to select any record, and then I go to sort and then sort A to Z, and see it's working. So sometimes it doesn't work, so the workaround would be that you can just close or reopen the workbook or sort some other record and then come back and sort, then it starts working mostly. So this is how we can perform the sort operation on flat list. So we saw different type of data, numerical, date and time, and then string. So For all other data types it works perfectly fine, but only problem mostly we have in case of names, so you might need to do some formatting, or you just select the data and do the sorting. Now coming on to the tables, where we have range, multiple columns of records, and then we want to perform the sort operation. So in case if I want to perform the sort operation on the basis of last name, so if I put the cursor anywhere, you just don't need to select the column, you can just click the cursor, put the active cell anywhere on the column, and then go to the sort, and then you say sort. Now in this case the entire record is going to be sorted. It's not just only this column will get sorted. So just see over here, when I click on sort A to Z, you can see all the records. When Adam got sorted, all the corresponding records also got sorted. So this is how we can perform the sort operation. Now if you make the mistake of selecting a column, suppose I select this column over here, or let's say this column, first name column, and then I say perform the sort operation. In this case Excel is gonna give you a sorting warning that if you have selected this column, it will just do the sorting of this column, and all the other records gonna be intact. So in that case you need to be careful, and by default it's saying select the entire, expand the selection to select the entire table and then sort. And if you go ahead with this option, it's just gonna sort this column and other records will be just as it is. So we don't want to mess up the record, so just keep it as it is and click on OK, and the data gets sorted. Now the other option is over here, if you want to perform sorting on multiple columns, and if you perform sorting on multiple columns, mostly they're where you have duplicacy of the data. For instance, over here you can see that we have state names over here. So what I want is, first of all, the sorting should happen based on the state, and within the state whatever cities are there, they should also get sorted. So in this case, if you perform this operation, that is the simple sort operation, in that case you have to do the opposite way. So first of all you have to sort city and then sort the state. So if I click over here, so click A to Z, I can see city got sorted, and then if I come back to Florida, you can see maybe Florida is not sorted. You have F, G, and then T, and then A, right? So you can see that the city got sorted, but the state is not sorted yet. So if I go further up, and then I click on over here, and then just put the cursor anywhere on the state, and then click on sort A to Z. So in this case, you can see that we have Alaska sorted, and within Alaska, you have all the cities. We have Green City. And then further if I go down, then we have Florida, Edgertown, and Tennessee. So you can see all these records, they are sorted over here, so state and city. And within state you can see we have Tennessee. Within Tennessee we have Carlin and Ollinger sorted. So this is how we can perform the sort operation. Using simple sort, you can also perform sort on multiple columns. Right, let's sort it back to the original it was, so I sorted by ID. Now if you want to perform sorting on multiple columns, then you can also perform the sort from here. Go to the sort and filter and click over here custom sort, and you get the custom sort dialog box. Now from here custom dialog box, you can add the levels, and levels means that each and every column on which you want to perform sort, you can add multiple levels. So it's asking you want to perform this sort on which column. So first of all I want to sort based on this state. You want to sort on what? So you can sort on the basis of values or cell color or font color or some other conditional formatting icon. And then we have option over here, you want to sort from A to Z or Z to A, and it has automatically recognized that my data has headers. And then next level I'm going to add over here, and next I want to sort on the basis of city, cell values, and they're also from A to Z, and click on OK. And now you can see same way data got sorted. You have states, and within the states you have cities sorted over here. Carlin within Tennessee, and then we have Ollinger. So this is how we can perform the sort operation. Pretty easy, right? So now in some cases you may require to sort the column. So Excel allows you to sort on column as well as sort the rows. So the example I'm going to show you over here of sorting on columns, sorting on rows, I have states over here. Let's get all the states, and let me paste over here. I don't want the formatting, so control and then match the destination formatting. Okay, so now we have all these states and codes, and I don't want the codes, I want just the states. So I just to shuffle these records, because they are all sorted, I'm gonna put some random value equals to random, control enter, control C, control alter V, paste the values, and then I'm gonna sort on this random value, so this way all the names gonna be jumbled. So you can see now we are having all these state names jumbled. I'm gonna copy them and then I'm gonna paste over here, control alter V, transpose, and click on OK. So you can see the names you are getting. Now I want to align it because the cell is not wide enough. I want to put the text vertically, so I can put like this, put the vertical text, rotate up. This way is fine. Now I want to adjust the width of the column, so control space bar and just double click in between of the cell, so you get enough space now. So we have these state names, and now over here, let's say I have some product names. Let's drop down. I have like 5 products, and let's put some random values over here. Man, I use a lot of random functions. Give me random number between 1 to 10. 1 to 10, let's say. Control enter, control C, control alter V, and paste the values using paste special. So now these are the values that I'm having. Okay, so now suppose this is the data and you require to sort these things, whatever names you are having of the states, you want to sort them. So if you just keep on selecting manually and start sorting them, it would be quite tedious, right? So I'm going to show you 2 different ways for performing the sort operation if you want to sort the headings of the table, right? One option could be that you can just select this entire table, right? Control C and then paste it somewhere, control alter V, and transpose and click on OK. Now you can see the city name you are getting over here in the first column, right? And that first column I can perform the normal sort operation as you are already familiar with, sort and then sort A to Z. Now you can see the first column got sorted, all the names, right? Control A to select all again, control C, and then I'm going to transpose and paste it back over here, control alter V and transpose and paste. Now you can see the names are sorted over here. Perfect. So this is the one way. So you just copy, transpose, paste some other location, sort on first column, copy, and then transpose, paste over here. Now I'm going to undo to get the original data, and then I'm going to show you the second way. Now second and the easiest way is to perform this sort operation. So for that I just need to select all the data that I want to perform sort, and then I'm leaving this first column over here intentionally. And if I want to perform the sorting of the column heading, I can go to sort, custom sort, and you're going to see over here we have options. So when I click on option, and here you're going to see you want to perform top to bottom or left to right. So up till now we were performing top to bottom, that is column wise. Now I want to perform the sorting based on row wise, so I'm going to select this one and click on OK. Now in this case, when you go to sort by, you are not going to see this product names, but you're going to see the row number 1, 2, 3, and so on. So I click on over here, you can see all the rows we have. So first row of the state name and remaining 5 of these numbers. So I'm going to sort by row number 1 and an ascending order. And now you can see when I click on OK, all these state names gonna be sorted. So when I click on OK, and now you can see they all got sorted, right? Pretty easy. So this is the thing that a lot of people, they don't know, sorting on columns. Now talking about some more advanced stuff. Now in some cases maybe you're required to sort on some other data that is not available in the sort operation. So suppose if I have some data over here, let's get the names. Let's get these names only. And then I have insert the row. So we have names over here, and then we have region. Okay, so now I want to perform the sorting on this column, so I can just click on over here and sort A to Z. Now in this case you can see again the heading itself got sorted. So undo, and let's make it bold. I guess it should work. Bold. And now if I sort on this column, sort A to Z, now you see even I have made bold, still it's not working. So this is the problem with Microsoft Excel. So let's go somewhere else and let's do sort. Let's do sorting, ascending, descending. Then we come back, maybe it will work now. Sort and sort A to Z, still not working. So sometime it works, it doesn't work. So let's select this and let's select this and just see the active cell over here, and then I want to perform this sort operation. So now over here problem, you are seeing that we have east, north, south and west, but I want a particular order of east, then west, then north and then south. So in this particular case, what can I do is I can perform this custom sort, right, and sort by region, cell values, but I don't want to go from A to Z, but I want to go from east, west, north and south. So in that case, I'm gonna go for this option, custom list, and I have already created this custom list. If you don't have, you can say new list and you can type in the entries. So east, west, north, south, and click on OK. And now it's gonna follow this order for performing this sort operation. When I click on OK, and now you can see we have east, west, north, and then south. So perfectly fine. Now another option I'm gonna talk about is sorting based on colors. So if you have done some formatting to colors, you can also sort based on color. So let's do some other different colors also. We have this green color. Okay, so if you want to perform the sort operation on the basis of color, that also you can use with the sort, custom sort, and from here you can say I want to sort the names based on the cell color, the background color, and which color you want to sort. So if I select green, it's gonna put the green at the top. If I select yellow, yellow gonna come at the top. So if I say set green on the top, and if you want to have multiple levels, you can add second level. I want to sort name on cell color, that should be yellow after that and on top, and click on OK. Now you see we have green and then yellow and then all the uncolored cells. So this is how we can perform the sort operation using the colors. Okay, so I guess I have covered all these different options. Also in the custom options, we had option for case sensitivity. So if you want to have case sensitive sorting or not, so you can search from, you can configure from there. So now you have also, you can delete any levels, whatever levels you have created, you can delete them. You can make a copy of a level, you can move them up or down. So these different settings are there. Now I was saying in the beginning of the video that it is pretty easy thing for some guys and pretty difficult for some. The reason is, I can come back over here, I'm going to show you some examples. Now here I have, for instance, a YouTube statistics, right? So here I have the category of videos and how many monthly views you get, all the total subscribers are there, and what is the watch hours. So in this case, you're gonna see over here whatever data we are having, this is not number, it contains B for billion and some records contain M for million. So if I just copy and paste the data in Microsoft Excel, it's not gonna recognize as number and it will not be sorting it properly. So in these cases, you're gonna use those texts that I was covering in last couple of videos about extracting using left and right and all that different stuff. All those functions, you're gonna use them and then you can convert it to a proper number, and then Excel will be able to perform the sort operation. Second example I'm gonna show you over here of list of states. Here we are having list of United States, names, capitals, and then we have became a state. Now if you remember that Microsoft Excel can store only the dates from 1900 only. So if any date that is older than that, Excel will not recognize that. So in that case, again, you need to do a lot of complexities extracting out the year and then month and then date and then performing the custom sort operation. So these are the scenarios where it gets quite complex, then where you need to work with data extraction, extract out the data, and then you are able to perform the sort operation. Let's see if I just copy a couple of records over here from here. Okay, these 4 records, if I just paste onto the new sheet, no formatting, you can see over here that whatever data Excel recognized, these are the records, it has automatically aligned right. But what it didn't recognize, because it was in 1800s and this was also in 1800s, Excel is just treating it as text. So in that case, you won't be able to perform any sort operation, just treating this thing as text. So this is the example that I was talking about, that these are the complex things that you need to perform some lot of more complex operations to get the sorting done. So after this tutorial is over, this entire series that I'm doing, maybe I'll be doing this some more advanced stuff. So hope you subscribe to the channel. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video.